Okay. All right. Hello, my beautiful people. So, this was literally a random idea. I'm just here. It's Memorial Day. It's raining outside. Let me try to pan the camera. I don't know if you can see, but yeah, it's a very rainy day today, and I'm like, this is so sad, but it's for our safety. While even if it wasn't raining, I'd still be home anyway because there's a pandemic going on. But while I was here in my free time, I like to take pictures or think of like anything creative I can do. So by just fooling around, I created this really cool setup to take pictures. Yeah, so I wanted to share with you guys like how I did this setup. Literally you don't have to buy anything. I don't have a backdrop or anything like that. I'm using just stuff I have laying around the house, and those are my props, and that's literally what I'm gonna use to shoot it. And I'm gonna shoot it with my iPhone as well. Just for those that don't have a camera, you can see like, okay, this is how you get some really dope shots on your iPhone. All right, so yeah. Okay, so I am in my living room. This is where I'm going to be doing my setup because I have a huge glass out here and there's really good light. And who don't like good light? So if you find a spot in your apartment, your house, wherever it is that has really good lighting, you might want to choose there as your setup because your background is not going to show anyway, so it doesn't matter what's behind you. This is the height of the chairs, so you can kind of see what we're working with. And I just need two. Probably if you are a bit taller, you might want to use three if you're gonna like lay out. But yeah, I'm just 5'7", so I just need two. Okay, so next is this handy dandy sheet I got from my mother's linen closet, which she might kill me for using. But yeah, you can use any color sheet you want, and this is what's gonna be your backdrop pretty much. So you just open up your sheet. You can iron it if you'd like. I don't care, and I don't like ironing. So I'm not going to. So I just spread it over the chairs, like so. Kind of make sure it goes all the way down. Tuck it under a little so it doesn't just drop down in the middle of your photo. And then you are gonna spread the bottom all around. Like so. I like the crushed look. I feel like it gives it a little I know you guys are now wondering, we have the white sheet spread. What are we gonna use as our props? A pine. A half-rotten banana. Two very squishy avocados. And some fake lemons I stole from my mother's dining table. Now that we have all of our stolen fruit, we're gonna lay them out on the white sheet and we are gonna make this a vibe. That was a lot of work. I gotta tie my hair back. Okay, guys. So now that we have the fruit laid out, I like how it looks, but I feel like I want a little bit more. So I am gonna look around the house. Bamboo wire. Okay, so I found some really cool bamboo sticks lying around the house, and I'm gonna add this for aesthetics because I feel like it all just goes together. And You guys can lay this out any way you want to. This is how I choose to lay it out because I want all my props right here, and then I'm gonna sit my beautiful butt right here. So here is our little setup. So the camera will be about here, and all this will be showing, but all that won't be showing. Okay. So I already have my phone in this tripod. You can adjust the height with this tripod to make it higher or lower or whatever. Nor my bird. So I'm just gonna set the tripod right here. Let me zoom out so you guys can see where it'd be. So that's where my tripod's gonna be. So it can catch me right there. Okay, so I'm about to go put on a little skimpy outfit because that's what Get You likes. No, I'm kidding, put on whatever you want. But I'm gonna put on an outfit and then I will show you guys the finished product of my creativity. Okay, so this is the final product. Woo! Giving you Tarzan vibes. Or Bambi, I don't know. Anyway, like, subscribe to my channel. Comment below if you want to know how I edit my pictures and also how I do my styling. Yeah, thank you.